welcome to the kitchen. Today I've got a really super treat in store, for me mainly because I'm really looking forward to eating this, but for you, I have got out my food colourings again. You know what I'm like with my food colourings. So we're going to make rainbow grilled cheese, and it's going to be delicious. We've got good quality sourdough bread, I think that's quite important. We've got our cheeses, so I've got some super strong cheddar, and I've mixed it with a bit of mozzarella because we want that cheese pull. To make it super tasty, I love it with a little bit of moutarde in there with the cheese, just a tiny bit, you know when you get that sort of Welsh rarebitness. I'm going to just finish colouring up this last cheese bowl. Just squeeze in a little bit of blue food colouring. So once it all starts to melt, the colour will become a lot stronger, which you'll see when we cut open our sandwich. Okay, so we are ready to assemble. First of all, I'm going to butter my bread because I want them to be really nice and crunchy on the outside. A thin bit, just to stop it sticking to the pan really. You don't need loads. I mean, you can have loads if you love loads. Okay, so we're nearly ready. Now, let me double check something. Lola, do you like moutarde? Lola says yes, she does like mustard. So I'm going to do the big one with mustard and we can share it, and then we'll do this special one just for Dan. Big one, I'm going to get the mustard and just put not too much, just a little hint, a little nod to the land of mustard. So I think that's enough. What do you reckon there? Do you reckon that's enough? Now all you need to do is just line up your coloured sections of cheese. And I do like quite a lot of cheese. If you're gonna go for it, you know, if you're gonna commit to the cheese sandwich, then just go the whole hog, I say. Oh, Rainbow Donkey over there is dancing with the thought of the delicious mustard cheesy sandwich. He's gonna a little bit of the blue one. Green. And lastly, the yellow one. So this is all ready now to pop the bread on the top. So what I like to do, I've got a frying pan on the hob on a medium heat, and I'm just going to fry it for about 2 minutes until it starts to melt. And I'm going to turn it. I'm also going to cover it with a big lid just to keep that heat in there so it starts to melt inside. So I'm just going to fry these up. They are looking pretty good. I'm just going to give them a flip. Oh yes, listen to that crunchy bread. Look, you can see that is nice and melty. So cut these open. There we go. So here we go, the moment of truth. Oh, it's quite stiff. It's crunchy, that sourdough. A little bit for me. Yum, yum, yum. Let's have a look at our rainbow grilled cheese. Oh, look at that. That is delicious. Oh, it smells amazing. Right, the moment of truth. Oh, that's really good. Come on, right, Lola, come and have a bit. Dan, come and have a bit without your mustard. Right, I'm just gonna finish this mouthful of amazing cheese. I hope you're inspired to make a rainbow grilled cheese and use all your food colourings. Everything you need to make this is just down there. And if you like what you see, please subscribe and there'll be lots more videos to come. Bye!